Next, we see explanation of valence bond theory by using sum of the complex. First one, NiCO4 square bracket. In this complex, central metal atom is nickel. Ligand is carbonyl. Carbonyl is strong field ligand. Next, number of ligand is 4. So, coordination number 4. Central metal atom nickel. Outer shell electronic configuration 3d8 4s2. In this complex, we find out nickel charge. Sum of charge of central metal atom and total number of charge of ligand is equal to charge of complex. So, nickel plus 4 carbonyl charge equal to 0 because the complex is neutral. So, equal to 0. Carbonyl also neutral molecule. So, this charge is 0. So, apply nickel plus 4 into 0 equal to 0. So, a nickel charge is 0. So, nickel outer shell electronic configuration in presence of ligand is 3d8 4s2. Next, number of ligand is 4. So, coordination number is 4. Ligand, carbonyl is strong field ligand. So, it pair up the unpaired electron in the central metal atom. Nickel have 2 unpaired electron. In presence of ligand carbonyl, these unpaired electron goes to pairing. So, electronic configuration in presence of ligand, central metal atom has 3d10 4s0. Next, each ligand donate one pair of electron to the nickel vacant orbital. So, ligand donate 4 number of pair of electron. These 4 lone pair of electron filled in 4s1 orbital and 4p3 orbital in central metal atom. So, it produce 4sp3 hybridized orbital. So, it has tetrahedral in shape. This central metal atom in presence of ligand does not have unpaired electron. All the electrons are paired. So, it is diamagnetic in nature. So, number of unpaired electron n equal to 0. Magnetic moment mu s is equal to root of n into n plus 2. N equal to 0, apply this formula. So, mu s value is 0 for this complex. Next, we see second complex. Nickel Cn4 square bracket 2 minus. In this complex, central metal atom nickel atomic number 28. So, outer shell electronic configuration 3d8 4s2. Next, we find out central metal atom nickel charge. In this complex, sum of central metal atom and ligand charge is equal to charge of complex. So, nickel plus 4 cyanide ligand equal to minus 2. Cyanide ligand charge minus 1. Nickel we don't know, so substitute x. X plus 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 2. Next, minus 4 go to right side. So, it change into plus 4. So, plus 4 minus 2 equal to plus 2. So, nickel charge plus 2 in this complex. Plus 2 means loss of 2 electron. These 2 electron remove from 4s orbital. So, nickel plus 2 outer shell electronic configuration 3d8 4s0. Next, in this complex, number of ligand is 4. So, coordination number also 4. Next, ligand is Cn minus. This is strong field ligand. So, it pair up the unpaired electron in the central metal atom. Nickel have 2 unpaired electron. So, in presence of ligand, these 2 unpaired electron go to pairing. So, it has 3d8 4s0 electronic configuration. So it has empty in 3d orbital and 4s 4p. Coordination number is 4. So each ligand donates one pair of electron to the vacant orbital of central metal atom. So it filled in one 3d orbital, one 4s orbital and two 4p orbital. So it has dsp2 hybridization. It has square planar in shape. So overlapping of these 4 orbital produce 4 dsp2 hybridized orbital. Electrons present in the central metal atom in presence of ligand is paired electron. So it is diamagnetic in nature. So number of unpaired electrons is equal to 0. Magnetic moment value mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2. N value is 0. So mu is equal to 0. Bohr magneton.